Assalamu alaikum. Hello dear. Today I am going to discuss about amazing social media, Facefeell. Facefeell is the fast and popular social media network in Bangladesh. It is an institution of the Muslim community. Facefeell is a halal social media networking platform and an online community. Facefeell is the best way to share the moments of your life with your Muslim friends and family around the world. Now, I will show you an easy way to create an account on Facefeell. Let's start. At first, open your internet browser. Then copy this link. I will provide this link to the video description. Then paste and go. Now click on Allow button. Now choose your username. Then choose your email address. Now choose your password. Then type confirm password. Then change gender. Then click checkbox and click let's go button. Yeah, created. Now change your profile picture. Then click save and continue. Now choose your first name. And last name. Then select country. Then select birthday. Then month. Then date. Now save and continue. Okay. I will just click follow 20 and finish. Yeah, now click profile, then go to your settings. You can easily access this option. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.